What kind of fish are we targeting today? Like
We're going to be targeting lake trout.
lake trout?
Lake trout, yeah. Look for structure that's holding bait as well. So this is a spot, we will check it out at one point, but
Sure.
I think we're going to start a little bit further and work our way back today.
Okay.
Got a lot of flash and vibration, which
Okay.
is lake trout, they kind of cruise about 10 feet off the bottom.
Right.
And fish, they see up. So if we're all on the bottom,
Yeah.
a lot of the time the fish are going to cruise right by without seeing our baits. So if
Okay.
we keep our baits a little bit higher up, they're going to kind of cruise in,
Mhm.
and then they shoot up for the baits.
Okay.
Like, oh yeah, look at that, that's a meal. So they come
Right.
flying up, and that's when we start reeling away from them.
Okay. Still no luck. So we'll move to a new spot and see if the luck gets better. There's some fish right there. See? Okay. So we got first lake trout. All right, good size.
Wow.
You wanna hold it, Aritra?
Don't just slip my hand.
Beautiful fish.
Look at a good video, get a good water. Reeling. Quick. Okay, nice steady reel, yep.
There it is. Wow. Another laker. Oh, that's a little smaller, right? But still a good fish.
Yep.
This doesn't want to stay, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Right there.
all right.
We're onto a pattern here, boys. That's 3 in the boat.
And I get a closer shot of this.
We'll get a good release video of this one here.
Yeah.
For you, Aidis.
Perfect.
Ready? We'll just take this guy right out and then we'll release him.
Good looking
The
fish.
smaller fish are going to be up shallow where we are. And then the bigger fish up
Beautiful.
Nice.
Beautiful.
deeper.
Beautiful.
Ready? Up slow. It's a light rod. Okay, hold on. Down, reel down. Keep the line tight. Up slow. Pull. There you go. Don't reel when you're pulling up. Okay, this is where it's going to count. We're going to slow down here. It's getting close to the surface. It's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay. Slow down, stop reeling.
Wow.
There you go.
Oh my God.
There you go, Aidis.
Got it.
Good job, buddy. That's a good one.
Wow. That's really good.
Yeah.
Did you see him on the screen?
Yes, I did.
You watched the
And he
bait
hit it right like that.
There you go. Look at your bait too. He wanted that. When they want it, they
Oh
want
my
it.
God.
Okay.
Take a picture with this. Hello.
G'day, mate.
Nice. Yeah. Please go ahead.
It's a good one.
Oh my God.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, so have a seat there.
Yeah, I'm looking
It's a big one.
Ready?
I'm all slimy now.
There you go. Yeah, just like that.
for it.
Oh,
Let's let him go.
yeah.